Hello, wonderful traders. Dadas here, speaking to you from the Dadas trading room on the Discord platform, to which you are sincerely invited. I mean, the Dadas trading access to the Dadas trading room is absolutely free. I am streaming live practically every day. I try to stream as long as possible. Of course, sometimes due to some technical issues, the stream might be broken, but most of the time I am streaming during the European daylight saving time right now. So it's like the summertime, whatever. Okay, because I'm in Europe here, so that's when I trade. Now, today for the daily recap, there isn't very much to say because I didn't do a lot of trading. I simply, first of all, we can look here and we can see that today the DAX 30 market was more of a consolidating type. Even the range today is not so big as it recently was, like 392 pips today. So that's reasonably lower. We haven't seen anything below 500 pips in the last I think probably month or so. So yeah, so the market is a little bit more calm right now. The spread also shows, values around 3 pips, so that's pretty good for now, and it's still for this type of range. You see that we can see that the market made a move up, a rally up right here. From somewhere from the Asian session, continuing through the Frankfurt Open and the London Open, and then when my working hour starts, well, I was a little bit late today because I overslept. It's most probably due to the the change of time that we've experienced since Sunday. So we've been experiencing, so it takes about 2-3 days for the organism to adjust, because the body is still working according to the previous time, right? So basically, when I got up and I saw the situation right here, I wasn't too quick to get in. I got in exactly after I saw this here movement, right? So I got in, and I didn't use any expert advisors here. I just got in manually at 0.5 lots, and then because the market was moving pretty rapidly right here, I was thinking of closing manually at about 40 pips, but this time the calculation was like this. Well, they usually take me out, so I will wait a little bit longer. I won't close yet because there could be more room here for a bigger movement. But then there is this potential support right here. So I trailed, but I trailed when the candle was pretty far away from this level. I trailed when the candle was almost at its low, so at least 20 pips lower. So yeah, at least 20 pips lower. And I was just I thought, okay, so maybe my trailing stop will hold out and they will continue. But they actually did react. The price actually did react right here. It moved back and took out my trailing stop. Okay, too bad. Okay. Anyways, you see what happened right later. 5 minutes of little consolidation. Somebody realized their orders right there, and then the market continued down, and there was a stop right there. Well, I had some other important issues today, some other online meetings, so I wasn't trading anymore today. But there was still another opportunity right there, and the opportunity was exactly right here. Right here was the opportunity where I could have gotten in at a short, and also there could have been an opportunity right there, still pretty good, but I didn't take it. Another opportunity, well, there was no other opportunity for a short. There was an opportunity for a long right there, and exactly right there. And it was another one of those opportunities where you could practically get in almost blind. Here, it's like a no-brainer. Well, it's a no-brainer, but only for somebody who knows. But yeah, it's not so easy. So, anyway, there could also have been an opportunity right there. You see? And this opportunity was a quick one and a slower one too, after the return of this candle back here. Now, why? That's another secret. I mean, it's not actually a secret. I mean, this knowledge is available, but try to find it. Who'll tell you? Who'll tell you that? I can tell you that, but it costs, right? All knowledge costs. Why you could have entered long right there without much risk. And you see, the price actually did what it was supposed to do, and then it got out pretty quickly right there. So even if I had done the same thing as before, so if I had trailed, let's say, to somewhere around this level, and I would have perhaps about 30, 35, 39, maybe 40 pips, right? And in this situation, the market wouldn't even take me out. So I would be trailed all the way up there, even in this situation. And then, of course, at this level, I would have been trailed, stopped. But that would have been like a very nice, very, very nice 70 plus pips. Anyway, okay. And then you see what happened. Then the market turned around, but also, a little bit like consolidated right there. So there wasn't a clear trend right there. The clear trend built up around here, and the opportunity candle would have been that one, but the market didn't go back. So well, that would have been a runaway train. That's it. Okay, now here is another opportunity. Almost take profit. Almost. Yeah. And there's another opportunity for a long. Of course, trailing stop. Always trailing stop, because the take profit line is not guaranteed, right? It's not guaranteed. Okay, anyways, yeah, that's it for today. Like I said, I didn't do a lot of trading, so I was pretty busy, so there isn't much to talk about here. Please subscribe if you already haven't. If you don't like my videos, then please make sure to click the dislike button twice. Make sure, yeah, you have clicked it well, so click it twice. But if you do like my videos, please give me just one strong like. Okay. Now, yeah, there's also remember about the bell. So if you haven't clicked on the bell, please click the bell so that YouTube will notify you about my videos. I'm having some kind of issue. I don't know, because YouTube has stopped. Well, for about three days now, I think. YouTube, 3 or even 4 days. YouTube has absolutely stopped sending me any notifications, and I can't even get in the menu when I click on the notification bell, and there is nothing. I mean, where it should notify me. I don't know what's happening. I know that there's something going on with YouTube. Maybe they're working on their scripts. I don't know. Anyways, please come to my Discord server. Please become my patron on patreon.com/Data Trading System Workshop. All the links are in the description below. If you become my patron at $17 per month, you will be granted the VIP role on my Discord server. You will get access to a lot of special material that is also accessible to VIPs, and also you get lots of other benefits. I think the best benefit is that all your monthly payments are being accumulated, and then you can, if you accumulate enough money for my 3 hours of my Data Trading System Workshop, you will be able to choose free of any other of any payments, of any charges. You'll be able to choose from 2 of my simplified systems, and if you would like to get a better system, a little bit more complicated system, or maybe complex, not complicated but more complex system, then you need to accumulate enough money for 6 hours of minimum 6 hours of my Data Trading System Workshop. You'll get that one too, free. Okay, thanks a lot for today. See you next time, and just wash your hands and stay healthy. See you.